Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Aaron. I'm K.O.P. Let's keep on pushing to your success. Hey, I got a question to ask you. Why you're not making money in affiliate marketing? How can you fix it? Right after the intro, and we'll do it. Let's go.
I ain't never gonna get enough.
Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Aaron. I'm K.O.P. Let's keep on pushing to your success. Hey, you might be still doing the same reason that beginners are always doing. Putting links in something and want somebody to click on it. First, I can tell you this. You might not have a traffic or audience that coming your way. The reason right behind that is because you're not finding your right target audience. You need to know where your target audience are at. You need to focus on where you can find them at. There's all different platforms to find your audience. Knowing what you can do with them and knowing how to promote to them. First off, you might need to start off with YouTube. You might need to start off with a blog. You might need to start off with Facebook. You might just start with Pinterest, Snapchat, you name them. It's multiple ones to work with. Hey, I'm just a guy here to tell you, just to help you out, to give you some insight of how to build yourself up in your business. Now look, let's check this out. First thing first is the reason why you might not be successful into it, because you're probably not trying. That's another reason I can say that. Hey, I had got this question a while back into my group, my Facebook group. I'm gonna just explain it to you, the reason why I'm gonna tell them that, because if you're not trying to be successful into your brand or in your industry or your niche, in your profit or whatever you're trying to go for, you want to generate income from it based on what you're trying to do with it. Based on, you got to have your audience, and once you have your audience, you have to have your product. It's your product or your service or whatever you're trying to promote. But based on, if you're in affiliate marketing, you have to know who's your audience, how you target your audience, and how to get them to buy. Based on learning those strategies and tips and hacks, that's what I'm gonna give you to you to know how to do it. Hey, right now you can. Hey, if you've never been to this channel, subscribe. Click on the button. Hit the notification bell. Hey, I ain't gonna hold you up too long with it, but I'm gonna just tell you this: how you focusing on your goals and focus on what you need to know about how to be more successful in affiliate marketing. That I should have more videos down, or like I said, hit the notification bell so you can see more videos what I drop. But back what I was talking about, why you're not making money and why you're not successful. That was the main. I should have been the main title of it, but it's not. But it's just why you're not making money in affiliate marketing and how we're going to fix it. The way you're going to fix it is you have to be set all your systems up. When people say systems, there's a system of anything and everything, of any type of brand, business, you name it. It's like you're doing your daily working. When you get up in the morning, brush your teeth, wash your face, that's a system. If you did not know that, you have that routine is a system. Once you build that system to do it, it comes routine. Then you can repeat it over and over and over. Now I'm gonna tell you how you can generate income from it, from affiliate marketing, just knowing your niche. What are you promoting? It can be your regular, traditional, the organic, profitable ones. There's three of them. Your wealth, health, and relationships are your main three. If you're focusing on those, and then you can have your sub niches. Your sub niches are something like you focus on relationship. It might just be dating. I'm gonna tell you about the wealth and the health. That's the main objective. I know I like to work out, exercise, generate, work on, hit the gym and everything like that. Those are profitable niches. Then you have the organic stuff like the diet pills or supplements and everything like that for you, for the health department. I know about that because that's what one of my niches too, as a sub niche for my main objective of affiliate marketing. Based on that, that helps me out to help you out to grow yours, to help you out to succeed in why you're not making income. You find out who's your audience. That's one. The reason why I still say you might not be trying, because you might information overload. Now you gotta calm down and slow down, hit the brakes, relax, take notes, write it down, space it out, focus on what you need to focus on. All right? And Look, the wealth part, you know, that's just based on motivation, how to set your mindset and everything else. Now, if you know how to get those individual, break your things down into those categories that help you how to generate income, all you got to do is keep repeating it over and over and over and over. Hey, I wasn't successful in 1 year. Hell no, I wasn't. It took me 4 years to finally get what I needed to generate some income, slowly and slowly. Like I said, I've been doing it for 8 years, and now I can tell you how to focus on, what to focus on, and there you go. Hey, I have a course built out that for affiliated marketers for beginners who don't understand it. You can click on the link. It's down in the description. I hope you scope it out. Hey, and I will get back with you as soon as possible. Hey, leave a comment. Anything what you wanted me to talk about affiliated marketing, or how you do your things, or set your domain name, or who's profitable niches to work with. I can kind of break those down, but you can still make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. All right, I see you on the other side. Later.